A 10-year-old boy named Shankar used to go to school regularly without taking any leaves and studied diligently. One morning, at his house, his father went to Shankar, who had just woken up, and said, "I am going to the park for a walk. So, you can come with me, do some physical exercise in the playground, and then have fun playing games." He said this and called Shankar. However, Shankar said, "If I exercise, my body will ache, so I won't come," and lazily turned around and went back to sleep. In this way, without giving any exercise or movement to his body, he only went to school and grew up. One day, sports competitions were held at his school. In that of them, Shankar participated in the running race. While running in the race, Shankar collapsed after running a short distance and fell unconscious on the field. Immediately, Chinnu, the sports teacher present there, provided first aid to Shankar and revived him from his unconscious state. At that time, Shankar said to Chinnu teacher, "I come to school regularly and study, but I am in a condition where I can't even run a short distance," he said with regret about his physical health. Immediately, Chinnu sir said, "Just as education and knowledge are important for our life, physical health is also something very important for us. Moreover," he said, "it is essential for our physical health to do proper exercise daily and eat healthy food at the right time. Both of these are very important. When we do not exercise, we do not give any movement to our body. Thus, laziness increases in the body. Therefore, the movement of the organs of the body decreases and its health is also affected." In this way, Chinnu sir explained to Shankar in detail that a proper diet and exercise are very essential for our physical health. Realizing his mistake, Shankar woke up early the next morning and went with his father to the park while he usually went for exercise. On the first day, doing exercise for a short time and then playing was very difficult for Shankar. However, disregarding this difficulty, he continued his exercise daily, and after a few months, he gradually began to enjoy it. After starting to exercise, there was a noticeable improvement in his health. As a result, he became energetic as soon as he woke up in the morning and was able to concentrate well on his subjects at school. As a result, Shankar was able to get the highest marks in the exams conducted at school. One day, a festival arrived in Shankar's town. Many sports competitions were held for boys and girls during that festival. Shankar participated in some of those competitions. He won in all the competitions he participated in. This event brought a positive change in Shankar's life. Having realized the benefits he gained from exercise, Shankar said to Chinnu sir, "Even though exercise is done for just a short time each day, its results give us great benefits, and exercise has brought a positive change in my life," he said happily. With the determination to always maintain his physical health, Shankar continued to exercise regularly and eat healthy food at the right time. As a result, he grew up to be the best both physically and mentally.